Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about compute the greatest common divisor and the least common multiple of two integers. Okay. First of all, we would like to see the logic behind this. Wait a minute. I am going to open the whiteboard. Okay. We have to find out the HCF, that means highest common factor. That another one is LCM, least common multiple of two integer. Okay, I will take two integer of 2 comma 22. First of all, I have to find out the HCF, highest common factor. Okay, so I have to divide by 2, 1, 11. So I have to take this one. Already you are studying in first standard or second standard like this. So HCF is 2. Okay, and LCM. For LCM, the same thing should be happen, but only thing is you have to multiply these numbers. Okay, so LCM is 22. Now we have to see the logic behind this. How computer will process these operations. See, first of all, we have to take a two input, namely x and y. Okay. After that, we have to compare these two values, x greater than y. Okay, the small number is equal to y, else the smaller number is x. Am I correct? Okay. After that, you have to use a for loop. You have to use a for loop for identifying the HCF. Okay. The loop will start from 1 and end with smaller plus 1. That means smaller value is 2, it will be calculated as a 3. Already you knew about in range. Okay, in range, suppose if it is 3, it will be calculated up to 2. Already I have explained. Okay, and also it should be divided in both numbers. Okay, so the remainder should be 0. Okay, suppose if I divide by 2, remainder is 0 for both number 2 comma 22. For getting remainder, I am using modulo operator. Okay, after that, for finding the LCM, okay, I have to multiply these two number, 22 into 2, okay, that means 44, and also I have to divide by HCF, that means 2. So the answer is 22. Is it clear for you? After that, you have to print the LCM and HCF. Okay, shall we go to the program? Wait a minute. I am opening IDLE Python. Okay, file, new file. Okay, it is opening. For getting a input, I have to use a input function. I am getting a integer value, so I have to use int. After that, I have to use input function. After that, I have to enter the first number. Okay, I have to give escape sequence. that means new line backslash n. Okay, after that I have to close it. Good. Okay, I am getting the x value. Next I am getting the another value, that means y, the variable y. I have stored the value which was getting from the user stored into x and y respectively. Okay, integer. Okay, I am getting integer value only. Input is a function. Enter the second number. Okay, very good. I am getting both numbers from the users now. After that, I am going to compare this number using if statement. If x greater than y, okay, colon should come, smaller value is y, okay, else else the smaller value is x. After that, I am going to use a for loop. For I in range 1 comma smaller plus 1. Okay, I have to put colon, and after that I am going to use the if statement. If x, I am going to use the modulo operator. Modulo operator is percentage symbol. I is equal to 0 and y, I am going to use another modulo operator. I is equal to 0. Okay, and after that HCF is equal to I. LCM is equal to x. Multiplication, for multiplication I am using asterisk symbol, x, y, okay, x, y, and divided by HCF. After that I am going to print the values. Print the HCF of x and y is HCF. Next, the same thing, print, okay, I would like to copy and paste. I have to change the values. LCM, here also LCM should come. Okay, good. After that, I'm going to save it. I saved as a HCF and LCM into desktop. I'm going to run it. Okay, unexpected index will come. Okay, let me check. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to rectify the mistakes. Okay, very good. This is a correct intent. Okay, I'm getting the x value and also I'm getting the y value. I'm comparing and I'm listening to the another variable of smaller. Okay, if smaller is y, x smaller is x. Okay, and also I'm going to use the for loop for identifying the HCF. For LCM, I'm going to multiply these two values and divide by HCF. Okay, after that I'm going to run the program. Okay, enter the first number 22 I am giving, second number 2 I am giving. Okay, see, I'm getting the correct result. The HCF of 22 and 2 is 2. The LCM of 22 and 2 is 22 only. Okay, is it clear for you? I hope you might have understood this program. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Thanks for watching.